Welcome to the another lesson. So in this video we will customize our themes. So if I see our current theme is Shrine theme and just simply click here customize. You can open link in new tab or just press the control and simply click here. You see have the new tab, open it. So this is our theme editor, which is like this. All theme you get like this interface. Here you see have uh, it's take a moment, so internet loading issue. Okay, it's come. So themes editor have, you see first top have the section and top have the is themes is live. If you click the here three dot, you can click the backend edit code easily. You can see the theme default theme content, edit theme default content. You can view, you restore, you can view documentation for the Shrine theme. So keyboard shortcut and get support, so we don't need this, just we suppose for the view we can use it. And another part has the default, which is market. Here if we have the another market, we can see here. And another option is home. So suppose we are now home page. If I click here, we can see our product page, collection page, collection list, all the pages we can customize. And if we need the changes, we can arrange this here. So we can go step by step later. And here have the option open site, like this control. If we click this deactive inspector, suppose we will hide this. So when I suppose click any section, it is not recommended. Okay, so when you click it here and now it is blue, which is enable. If you scroll the cursor, you see slide section. If we row below, which is showing comparison table like this. I hope you understand. And this is the icon for desktop mode, which is now we are have the desktop mode. And if you click the mobile, so you see how look you store for mobile version like this. And if you click the here full screen, you can see your full screen. Okay, so we are back to the desktop mode. And all themes have the basically three part. Okay, so first of all have the header part, which is this one header. And another have the template, which is our body or template section, you see. And if we hide this all, just hide all the option. So this is our templates, which is body, so showcase our all content, everything. And finally you see the have footer section. So basically all the stores have the three part, which is header, template or border, and finally have the footer. I hope you get the basic understand. So if we see left side have the another option, which is theme settings. Okay, just click here, you see your authentication. You see your authentication, and you can get the help. You can set up the security option, logo, colors, typography. If you change your font style, you restore, you can manage here. And animation have badges, slide controls, layout. We also you can manage buttons, color swatches, variant picker, quantity picker, product cards, collection card, and then media also drop down, which is all the function are include here. Okay, you can manage this all of things. Last of all have the card, custom css. If you need the custom css, you can manage this here. Theme style, you can click here, you can see. So currency format, you see we can switch this switch off here. Okay, brand information, if we have the brand for the footer like this, here have the your personal logo, your headline, description. So if you have the social media link, you can set up here. So I hope you understand like this. And last of all, have the app embeds. So we are going to the another video for this section. We just manage on or off for the apps here. Okay, so we are back to the section here. So I hope you understand how you will uh, uh, find this section. So suppose we need customize our header part, we should header part this here. Okay, header part, we see horizontal tracker, this one is horizontal tracker. Announcement bar, if I click here, we see it is hide. If I click this, it will show this announcement bar, if you see. And if you click the here drop down icon, you see announcement welcome. We need to change the content, you just simply click here and you can change the your content here. Okay, so we are back now, and we see the our header menu here, and template is here, template. So we see our banner slideshow comparison table. If you need this comparison table section, it is default section. So if we don't like this, we can simply delete it or hide this section. So you see now it is hide, we need to back it again, just click here and it is again back. And last have the add section. So if we click the add section, you see section have 20 section and apps 0. So we don't use it and any apps, so that's why it is 0. So you see have many section here, image banner, slideshow, college, multi-column, okay, multi-row. So if we click the suppose multi-column, just simply click this and you see multi-column section is our template here. Okay, so now if we scroll this, simply your cursor set here, you can drag your any part, your section you can drag and drop. Okay, and if you see the under multi-column, which is multi-column 1, multi-column 2, multi-column 3, this is for update content. You just click here and you can update your all content here. Okay, so here you see columns like this. So I hope you understand how you will customize your part. So if you don't need, you just simply delete this, so it is gone, deleted. So like this we can theme edit or theme customize our store. So I will show you step by step how you will set up your full store. So let's get to the next video.